Are you interested in getting a hair transplant? Here we have a plastic surgeon reacted to Tyga's hair transplant. He is not too fond of the results. According to online, Tyga went to Dr. Craig L. Ziering for his hair fix. If we examine the picture on the left, Tyga looks a lot more aged versus the picture on the right where the transplant and the hair has grown in significantly. He looks fairly young. This surgeon is saying that the hairline looks too straight. There are a couple of people that do have naturally straight hairlines, but there's a very few. I'm not one of them. As a matter of fact, my hairline was so messed up growing up, I had a couple of hairs lasered in order so I don't always have to give myself a clean lineup. So what do you think about Tyga's hair transplant?